I want to give a shout out to Mr. Farmer Simpson for giving me the knowledge of one of the most slept on and probably the most comfortable shoe I have tried on in years. So this story is very short because I saw Farmer Simpson do a video on this shoe. I went and tried them on and I copped. Now, what shoe am I talking about? We are about to find out. Now, let's do the unboxing real quick here. As you can see, yep, it's Jordan brand. Now, as you can see, it is Jordan brand. What else would it be? Now, on this side, you have the Jumpman 00023, and you have some crosshairs, as you can see, right there. And these are the Jordan Proto React. They are retailed at around $150, but you probably can get them online for a little bit more cheaper. And this is the gem red and white. Yep. So right here you got the 23 on the box, and you have some more coordinates and crosshairs on that side. Let's go to the bottom. Nike officialness, as well as more crosshairs, and the Jordan logo, of course, at the bottom. Crosshairs at the top of the box, just like you would see on an airplane instrument, so in a Jumpman. But I know what you guys want to see. How do they look and what's in the box? Inside the box, Jumpman 00023, inspired by greatness, designed for flight. Boom. Here you have the Jordan Proto React. Now these shoes took me by complete surprise because I didn't know that much about these shoes until Mr. Farmer Simpson did the review. Now let's talk a little bit about this shoe. Now, as we all know, Jordan brand got this React going. React started in basketball shoes, then it was the running. Now it's in the lifestyle shoe. So on the side of the shoe, you see the coordinates to the Nike facility right here. Yep, those are the coordinates right there. As well, this shoe is made basically of like this new design. It's called a neck skin upper right here. Very thin, like nylon material. Also, it's kind of like tarp, pretty much. The paracord for the Velcro strap that's on the heel keeps you locked in. And a lot of people was wondering about this strap, but it's mainly just to keep you locked in once you put the shoe on, because it's so easy to put the shoe on. Right in the back you have 00023 Jumpman logo, and that strap easily goes in like that, or you can take it loose. But it's to keep you locked in because this is so easy to slip in. Like it has like that Nike Huarache type booty that you just can slip right in, and once you're in this shoe, you are locked in with that strap. It's like no getting out, bro. And also on one shoe inside you have a triangle. Yeah, that's a triangle. Triangle in that one. And you have Jumpman up in this one. And on the tips of the laces, you have some white tips. Now let's talk about the crosshairs, which is right here. These are 3M as well as this down here. So when light hits it at night, it'll reflect. Now these shoes have a tendency probably to get warm, so you can take loose that and you can let them breathe a little. Yeah, this has holes in it, so allow it to breathe, but you get a little air. On the bottom, you have on the outsole the Jordan logo, and here is the React that's mixed in with plastic, which is the off-white color. This is the React. And when I tell you it's comfortable, people, it is comfortable. I don't think there's nothing that's really more comfortable than React, full React at that. So that has to be one of the selling points for this entire shoe, will be the React, full React. So like I said, on the side you have those the Jumpman logo, the coordinates. So this shoe made me buy it, just how comfortable it is. I'm one of those people who buy shoes basically because of technology, and this shoe I'm sold off of the look as well as the technology. You probably need to try it on before you get it, like I said, to make sure that you're into this real comfy shoe. Like, you slip right in it, bro. Like, it's not even hard to slip in the lacing system. Right up there. When you locked in, you could adjust that and you're locked in. You're not going nowhere. Put that strap tight. And this is a lifestyle shoe. And it's multi-purpose. Like, you could either hoop in this, and believe it or not, this bites probably better than some basketball shoes. Yeah. But like I said, inside it's just like the Huarache. This part is just like the Nike Huarache. That's what it feels like once you're putting this on. It's like wearing a pair of Huaraches. So right here you can see the React right there. That makes it certified dope in every single way. Now, you know what comes next will be the on feet. So yeah, shout out once again to Mr. Farmer Simpson. He made me cop these. I know these came out a couple months ago. You know, I fucks with red heavy. Like this video, leave your comment, share this on Instagram, YouTube, as well as Facebook. And stay tuned for the unboxing. I want to give these a 4 out of 5 just for the technology, just for people sleeping on them. Subscribe.